how to edit a post on your creator account page on Patreon. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit a post after you publish it. Actually this is very easy, but there's people that may not know, so please follow with me. First thing, go to your page on Patreon and scroll down to the post that you want to edit. For example, I'm gonna choose, let's say, this one. Now all what you have to do is just click on this pencil right here, as you can see. After you click on this pencil, you will be able to edit your post. As you can see, it's very easy, and after you finish editing the post, just click save right here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.